Going with those demographics piece and the personality assessments is in the routines. So I'm just going to let me get a contact one here. It makes more sense. So send Slack message. One thing that you can do now is in the checklist area, a powerful feature within SAM is to set up checklists for activities, right? Other systems had this, but what we do different is that each of these checklist items become separate entities for themselves and connected to that contact record as well, or property or transaction record as well. And we have a checklist area within the system so that you can preemptively check off certain things that you're doing that are part of a checklist inside of an activity. So whenever you go to complete that activity, if you've already done it, the checklist item's already done. So it makes you organize it very well. Well, one of the things in the checklist that we have, not only a checklist item to just check it off, but we also have what's called field validations. So what this does is it says, okay, whenever the checklist comes up, there are certain fields in the database I want to make sure have values in them. It could be the status or the category or whatever that you want to have in there. Well, we added the demographic piece in there as well as the other. So maybe verify demographic. And the reason why we do this is for Don, his purpose was, well, I start them on a routine, they're brand new lead. I want to be able to make sure that they get categorized properly whenever they first come in. So we create an activity within a routine that whenever it comes due, it'll pop up this checklist and it'll show what is the current demographic. And if it's blank, you can select which demographic they are, and then it will put that demographic back into the contact record for you so that you make sure that you get everything done. The advantage there is that you can have somebody that doesn't know how to edit a contact record, but they know how to follow a checklist in your system. A system administrator or somebody at your front desk or whatever, and all they have to do is follow the checklist. And whenever this activity comes due, it would pop up, hey, verify the demographic. If it's filled in, great, it's done, check it off. If it's not, select it, it'll automatically check it off, and then you're good. So both demographic and the personality assessment have both been added. Lots of other fields in there that you can do as far as actions and stuff within the routines. The routines are amazing the way I've been able to set them up. We keep adding new features to those. The whole purpose of this is to get things that you're doing manually off of your manual list and having it do it for you automatically. As you guys go through the nurturing process of a lead, changing statuses, changing values within your database as it progresses through the process is invaluable. You're wasting less time having to edit your contacts. Same type of thing whenever you're going through a listing. As the listing progresses from listing to until I've got a signed agreement, or from the signed agreement all the way to or contract, all the way from contract to close, there are things that happen and you're updating the records in your database. You don't need to do that anymore. You can let routines do it for you through actions and checklist items through that system. Simplifies everything. You have to spend the time ahead of time to set up your routines. I get it, but you're paying yourself back in investing in that time initially in the back end, because you can now scale your business at a rate that you've never been able to do before.